to Michael's and I just got some new rubber bands, some refill packs. I just got 2, and this one is just the regular mix. But I also wanted to get these ones, and these are the jelly ones. So it's called the Jelly Mix Bands. Go ahead and open it up and pour some out, and you can see that they're like, I like these better than the original ones just because I feel like the quality is a little better. Like the jelly, it makes it seem more durable. Color assortment that I picked out that I found: orange, yellow, green, several different types of blues. There's a dark blue, a kind of turquoisey blue, and a light blue. Then there's a pink, and then a purple, and then a clear one.